welcome back to another video of Animal Crossing New Horizons. And finally, today's Sunday, again, for a third time. And, yeah, it's time for a fireworks festival again. Well, as we have heard that before. So yeah, it starts in 4 minutes. So yeah, I can make it in time. Oh wow, look at these clouds right there. They're so pretty. And also, this is where I'm going to put the bridge over here, the red Zen bridge. I decided to put the Zen bridge over here, looks like that, because it looks like a perfect village bridge. Well, once I got so many bells, then I'll be able to donate them to Lloyd. Yeah. Let's see how my villagers are doing. Okay, so there's Tanky, Marina, Drago, Peanut, and Rocket. You know what, guys? I probably may have my decision about Tanky right now. Look, I know she's the cutest cat villager ever. I mean, like, I had to let her move away from my island soon. So I felt really sorry for Tanky. Well, if this is going to be her decision for her, then yeah, she can move away from my island. But she's not moving away today yet. But once my least favorite villagers, one of my least favorite villagers are gonna move away, then yeah, I'll agree with them. And then I can go around islands to look for a new pink villager. So the villagers I want in the future is like Chrissy, Marcy, and what else? Flora, and one last one is, well, I don't know, maybe a Cookie, I guess. Oh crap, there's a mosquito. No, not in real life, guys. I was talking about it in a game. Okay, time for me to stand right here at the sky. Excuse me, Drago. Actually, I'll stand right here. Sorry, Marina. Sorry, guys. Oh, why is the mosquito still following me? Oh, here it comes. Alright, let's go. Alright, let the fireworks begin again. Here it comes. Oh crap! Okay, excuse me. A flower one? No, it's a star bumper, just like Isabel's. Alright, let's wear it on right now. There we go, I look great. Ah, great, the mosquito's after me. I have to go inside of resident services, quick. And I'll come back out. And this happens to me once when the mosquito touched my villager, and it doesn't really happen to me. It just got an itch. Okay, it's gone. A pink balloon, wow. Thank you. A blue balloon? Wait a minute, is it gonna have old items here from now on? Just like from last year? Oh, I think I took it back. Hey, Peanut. Whatever, I'll take it. Thanks, Red. Man, yeah, I have made my decision to let Tenki move away from my island one day. I hope till tomorrow, though. I haven't played with bubble blowers for a while. Let's give it a try. Alright, one more blow. There. I missed it. My cousin's fireworks are here, but it's okay, at least. You don't come back over and over again. Sorry guys, that was my sister. Marina is the cutest octopus. Oh, there it is. Yeah, Marina is the cutest octopus I ever seen. She's gonna stay with me on my island forever. You know, since I already built a boardwalk, I should probably do some more decorating on a boardwalk. That would be fun. Well, decorating things is one of my favorite hobbies to do, especially fashion designing. But yes, I'm here to watch it together, Drago. Let's test out something else for my pockets. Oh, look, there it is. But you know what? Maybe I could look for the cat villager named Mary. I looked on the Animal Crossing guide app on my phone to see which cat is perfect. But yeah, I think Mary's perfect to have on my island one day. And I still have Tanky's photo in my storage, and I'll treasure it forever. And I have a question for you guys too. And if you can leave your comments below, what's your least villagers if you have on your island? Or if you don't have Animal Crossing New Horizons, then that's okay. Let's try something else. Oh, it's back. Oh, it's back. Okay. A red balloon? Okay. A tweeter. My pockets are almost full. I had to draw the things I don't want to use anymore. And I drank it all. Well, this reminds me of having a drink right now. Oh, hey, there it is again. Excuse me, Marina. I want to earn something else. Hey. Trying to make a video here.
Oh, sorry about that.
Thanks. Sorry guys, that was my mother. She's bringing me dinner. Marina, can you get out of my way, please? I need to earn something else. Well, not real life talk. Imagine she gets another item from the raffle too. Thanks, Marina. A yellow balloon, okay. Another tweeter. I found a firework. I haven't used that for a while. give it a try. You know what, I think that should be it for this video right now, and I will enjoy my time watching fireworks in this game. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys next Sunday for another firework festival in Animal Crossing New Horizons. So yeah, see y'all next Sunday. Later.